Welcome to Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheridpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 35667. The job location is in Mountain View, California. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: experience in Oracle, Agile PLM change analysis side and processes, well versed with GPN, ECOs, BOM, MPNs, good hands on in the creation of ECOs, MCOs, GPNs, good understanding of electrical components and part selections, coordination with the engineering design team for any part description discrepancies, coordination with classification team for sourcing, process improvement to response time on RFQs. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 5 years, no certifications are required, face-to-face interview process is not required.
Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheridpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms.